Alrighty, hey guys, this is JC Bowers, and today we are at Wabash. We feel like spring has sprung, which is so exciting. And today I'm going to talk to you guys about companion planting. Especially right now, we're going to be planting our peppers and our tomatoes for the most part. And I have really found that companion planting helps to play a huge critical role sort of in my garden. I use herbs and aromatic plants as a way to deter pests, as a way to sort of keep balance in the garden. And so for me, I have all my tomatoes and I put leeks because we had those $4.99 bundles all around because that's in the allium family and that's going to really be aromatic. But besides that, people have been planting things like basil, cilantro, dill with tomatoes and peppers for forever. It is a really good idea because, like I said, number one, it helps to deter pests and they do really well together. Also, marigolds help to get nematodes, which is amazing. And plus, marigolds help to kind of give off a scent that helps to sort of repel mosquitoes. So, I'm a really big believer in having as much color as I can in the garden because that color is really what's going to catch the attention of our bees and a lot of our insects. Another great companion plant that I want people to keep in mind is dill. I am such a fan of dill. I go crazy for dill. But it's because it's a very unique and wonderful presence in the garden, number one. Number two, it is a host plant to giant swallowtail butterflies, which is like probably the best reason. But also number three, it is aromatic and it does serve a purpose in the garden, helping to deter plants. So what I have right here is some basil. I have a bunch of different type of basil. I have the purple petra, I have the leafy, I have the Genovese. Um, Another thing that I want everybody to think about is if you have your vegetables and they're bolting right now, if you want to be just a super awesome human being, you can leave those. That way they start to bolt and it's some pollen for our bees because they sure need it right now. And plus, that will help to attract other wonderful creatures to our garden. Lastly, we planted here about 5 of our tomato trial tomatoes, and in every single one of the containers I planted chives, and we're very curious to see how they work together, but I think it's going to be a fantastic combination. So anyway, come on by, get your plants and plant on.